Hi Fauhow, in this video I'm going to show you how to change YouTube to dark mode. This tutorial is very useful for you who wants to change your YouTube app from light mode to dark mode. Okay, for the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's start the tutorial. Just open your YouTube app. After opening your YouTube app, you can see there, this is a light mode theme. You can just scroll down this YouTube app using white background. If you want to make your YouTube app more elegant, you can change your YouTube theme to dark mode. How to do this? Just open your YouTube profile picture on the top right corner. Then you can see there are some options here. Just choose settings. And then in settings, there are some options here. And then just choose general. After opening the general options, there are some options here. And then you will see dark theme. If you want to change your YouTube app to dark mode, you can just choose dark theme. Yeah, my YouTube app now is using dark theme. It is a dark mode. I hope this tutorial is very useful for you and helping you in changing your YouTube app to dark mode. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, just tap like and make sure you subscribe to Fauhow channel. And don't forget to turn on notifications so that you'll be the first person I notify when I upload the latest video about digital tutorial. Thank you.